Hey friends, thanks for watching. Today we're gonna do another clean with me video focusing just mainly downstairs. So we just got back out of town, and before we went out of town I filmed with a small crew, and we did a bunch of like Oktoberfest, Halloween decor type of stuff, and you know, I got to keep all the Halloween decor, and it's a lot. So they're all still in boxes, and so Justin and I, we actually bought these containers on Amazon. We're gonna keep that in those containers, and yeah, it's time to clean up, you guys. I have never let the house get this messed up. Like, you guys know me, I keep it clean, but it's looking like this, so it's a good time to film a clean with me video. So let's get started. You guys know, gotta put on the gloves and get going. All right friends, let's get started with this clean with me video. So first off, I am going to unload the dishes. This is from last night, nice clean dishes from last night. I like to have it on the sanitize setting at night, and it is a quiet dishwasher, so I don't even hear it when I'm upstairs in my room. And it takes about 2 hours and 30 minutes for it to finish. So by the time that the dishes are done, I'm already about to go to sleep, and so I don't have enough time to kind of like leave it open. I heard that if you leave your dishwasher open after the dishes are done, it'll dry it, but I didn't do that. So here I am just putting all the dishes away where they belong, and I used a microfiber cloth to dry some of the dishes that were still wet. And my dishwasher smelled a little funky because we were in Minnesota for a few days, and I don't know what happened, but I left it like really dirty, and there was like still water under, like in the dishwasher, and it smelled for days. And so I used a fresh, that little pod, and then I loaded the dishwasher, and then I used rinse aid as well as a Cascade dishwasher pod. Those are my favorites. I've been enjoying those. And then I forgot the cat food trays too, so I'm putting that in the dishwasher too. So the fresh pot I bought on Amazon, you guys, you put it with dishes or you can do it without dishes, but I don't like to waste water like that, so I did it with a load of dishes. But I didn't turn it on yet because it wasn't a full load. So here I am using the Mrs.Meyers Compassion Flower spray. It's a multi-surface spray. You guys, it smells so bomb. Like, I am so obsessed with that scent. And the thing about it is it's a limited edition scent, so that makes me sad. Like, why can't it be permanent? Like, I need that in my life all day, every season. Like, you guys, it smells good. So I'm using this real simple, it's for stainless steel. I bought that on Grove Collaborative, and it shines your stainless steel so beautifully. Do you guys see that? It is gorgeous. And then here I am refilling the dish soap dispenser, and I'm using the Mrs.Meyers Compassion Flower scent because I'm obsessed with that scent right now. It's a new scent that I got to try out early from Grove Collaborative. And you guys know, after dishes, I love to scrub that sink really well. I just like to use dish soap and just some water. And sometimes I use baking soda, but I don't feel like I needed it this time around. And then I gotta get rid of my pods and wipe down everything. The Nespresso pods, you can actually recycle. I think I've shown you guys like the recycling, oh, excuse me, my throat, the recycling bags that I use. So here I am just wiping everything down, including the stove. And look at that cute little turtle. I got that from Big Lots, you guys. It's adorable. And you guys, stay hydrated when you're cleaning, okay? So this is my special water. It has chia seeds, flax seeds, cucumber. I'll put all the ingredients and ginger in that water, and it just helps with digestion and just keeps you nice and hydrated. And then here I am just wiping down the table. I do this multiple times a day because we have cats, and these cats, they jump on everything. So before every meal, I wipe it down really well. And look how shiny, and most of all, how it smells amazing. So here I am just wiping down the windows, and then I went outside and I wiped it down, and I'm using this Method glass cleaner. And since I was there, I was like, let me just do the sliding windows too. I mean, why not? So you guys, I wanted to share the Grove Collaborative Mrs.Meyers set that you guys can get free If you guys are a first-time customer, I'm not working with them, but let me tell you guys, I did previously, and I just wanted to let you guys know all about that deal. So if you're a first-time customer, get on it, you guys. You get that entire Mrs. Meyers set. So here is the hot mess. So like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I had worked with a company and we designed my house like it was fall and Halloween already. And I got to keep all the home decor, but I had to put them all in storage somewhere, right? So we bought those containers on Amazon, and I'm just unboxing everything and putting it in containers. I used to store stuff in a trash bag, like, let me be honest, but in a trash bag in a garage, I feel like bugs could get in it, so I wanted to like seal it. Bugs or rodents, oh my gosh. So like I would freak out if I like saw a mouse like in one of my trash bags. So I decided I'm gonna seal it. It's gonna be dust free in a nice sealed container like the ones that I bought on Amazon. So I'm just unboxing everything. But the thing that happened was I ran out of boxes. Like the storage boxes that like have the good complete seal. And so I had to like figure out a way, and I was like, you know what? I can just continue boxing everything that could fit, but then I had to just grab some tape and just close all the boxes that it came in and just leave it like that. And then these are mason jars, so I just stored them in the house instead of like storage because I can use that for a lot of things. And so I just found a place for the mason jars. And then I went ahead and I taped up the other stuff because I didn't have enough boxes, and I just labeled it with a Sharpie. So here I'm gonna break down these boxes. We have like the box cutters. Justin's like, don't use regular knives, and I'm like, I know. So we bought a few box cutters, and also because I'm a YouTuber, I get a lot of like PR boxes from brands in my PO box, and so Justin was like, don't use the Woostoff knives, and so yeah, I can't be using the good knives anymore. I use a box cutter. So I went ahead and I folded that all up, and then I unboxed this e-cloth mop. I bought it on Grow Collaborative. You guys know me, I love trying new cleaning products and new like cleaning tools. So here Justin, the hubby, is helping me. Did you see that little dance? Rewind you guys. Just kidding, no. But Justin is so funny. He swears that he likes to do that so when I'm editing, he'll catch something funny. And I was like, boo, I saw you do that while you were doing it. He's like, oh man, I really wish I got to do that so you could just randomly see it while editing. I'm like, it's okay, boo. So yeah, we just put everything outside in our like backyard area, right there in our backyard kitchen area. And honestly, we didn't have time to be like looking through the storage areas over there and over there on the side because it's full. So Justin and I are gonna figure out another day where we can actually put all that in there. But in the meantime, it's outside. So here I am vacuuming the floors. I like vacuuming the floors because instead of sweeping, it just sucks out the dirt. And I feel like I get more, like the floor is cleaner when you vacuum instead of sweeping. That's just my personal opinion. And this is like an older version of a Dyson. But you guys, as a cleaning influencer, I feel like I need to buy the new Dyson for research purposes. You know, like give it a thumbs up if you agree. These are my mop slippers, you guys. I use them all the time. I buy them on Amazon. It comes in a 3-pack usually. And I think I need to buy some more because I really like them. Are you guys down for a cleaning giveaway? I mean, like, I would totally get you guys some mop slippers in that cleaning giveaway. One day I'll think about it. So here I am just cleaning the cat. This is like the cat food. Since I have 3 cats, it's perfect because it has 3 little areas for their cat food. And so I went back and I started vacuuming the living room. And what happened was, you cannot leave me with a vacuum to just vacuum the living room or just downstairs. So I ended up going upstairs, and I ended up vacuuming Jacob's room, my room, Liam's bedroom upstairs. The only room I didn't vacuum was Justin's office because he was in his office working and I just didn't want to bother him like that. And all these shoes, they pile up every single day. I don't know why. But we ended up getting a cute little shoe organizer for the closet inside the house. And we got that at Big Lots, you guys. And most of our shoes are actually in the garage. And I have like shoe shelves for them, but these are like the shoes that I wear all the time. So I gotta have it in the house. Instead of like walking out to the garage, we just have it in the house. So I love it. Liam loves it too. He gets so upset if I put a shoe where his belongs and he's like, Mommy. And I'm like, oh, my bad. So I'm just, you know, kind of tidying up the living room, fluffing the pillows. And I don't know what it is, but I'm over the navy blue look. I'm that person who always wants to redecorate. But Justin would hate me if I changed the rug. He'd be like, woman, we just bought that rug. And so here I am organizing the ottoman. And by the way, most of the questions I get in my cleaning videos is, where did you get that ottoman with storage? I bought it at this store called Bassett, B-A-S-S-E-T-T. I'll try to link it below, but I'll also try to link similar ones. And then the little containers for the toys are from Container Store. And I think some are from Dollar Tree. So I just put a blanket to cover up Mr. Bob's blood stain that never went away. Mr. Bob likes to chew up his paw. He has something granuloma something. I don't know the name of it. But yeah, his paws tend to bleed. So here I have like a storage for blankets, folded that up using the Mrs.Meyers Compassion Flower to wipe down Justin's piano that we never use, but it takes up so much space in the house. But I'm not even throwing shade. Like, that is a family heirloom. Family is very important. So, you know, we have it in the house, even though we don't use it. So here I'm just wiping down the boys' table. I think I actually need to donate that. They don't really use that table. Like, they really don't. We use our dining table for everything. And here I'm just wiping down this area too. If you guys look through the clear window, you guys see Justin organized that recently. It used to be filled with like so much crap in there. I should have recorded it, you guys. And then I'm wiping down the floor area where the cats pee. So gross. I'm getting rid of that towel and I'm gonna go wash that later. And now I'm just washing the e-cloth for the mop. And I added lukewarm water and then I just stuck it on and I'm ready to mop. I read that you can actually use it with just the water and it's supposed to kill germs and all of that, but I like my house smelling good. So I use my Method Squirt Mop. I think I use the ginger yuzu scent or the lemon scent. It's the one that I like that was open. So I'm just going ahead and mopping these floors. Squirt Mop does not require you to mop again with just water. Like, you just do it once and you're good. You don't have to like remop, which is why I really like Squirt Mop instead of like, you know, the normal, you put it in water and then, yeah, it's just messier and just, yeah, this is just nice and convenient. And my review for this mop, I'm gonna keep using it. I love it. I feel like it gets like the dirt off more so than a regular mop because it's a microfiber. And it got like, look, it got all that nasty. So the thing is, you just remove it. You can even buy replacement heads. And I went ahead and I washed everything that I used for the day. And I used a little pod called Grab Green. It smells really good. And then Lysol disinfectant. It's like a wash that disinfects, but it's not detergent. And then, you know, the house gotta smell real good. So I added that Mrs.Meyers, sprayed it everywhere, Compassion Flower. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. I actually like doing this before bed now, before going all the upstairs. So this is it, you guys. My house is clean. My house smells so good. I am so happy whenever my house is clean. I just feel like I did something good, you guys. Do you feel the same way when you clean your house? I hope you guys do, because it takes a lot of effort and a lot of working out and motivation to do this. Because not everyone likes to clean, you know, so I give you props even if you don't like to clean and you still do it, because, you know, it still has to get done. So yeah, everything is nice and clean. The living room is smelling so fresh and so clean with the Compassion Flower. I really want to redo the living room somehow. I don't even know. But Justin, like I said, I don't know how he would feel about me trying to redecorate again. I'm just that girl. I don't know. So yeah, that's the before with all the boxes. That's the after. Oh yes. Oh yes, it's empty. We call that the empty room for a reason. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Remember the Mrs. Meyers gift set that you can get if you're a first-time Grove Collaborative shopper. And I'll see you guys next time. I love you guys. Bye.